Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a big old collective haul for you guys because I have been doing a lot of closet clean out, like general things that I've needed to get done for quite a long time, or just coming across clothes that I thought fit, I hadn't worn in a while, tried them on, didn't work. You know, I think I've donated about 4 or 5 like big trash bags, and I still have another one in my apartment right now. So that being said, I've been doing a lot of shopping, and now that I'm not working from home, I work retail, I work a job that I can kind of wear cute little outfits and experiment with my style. I've been buying a lot of stuff. I also bought a bunch of new bathing suits, which I'm not going to show or try on in this haul, but I did get a handful of those this year, and I also got a bunch of new bras because I was in desperate need for those. Again, not trying those on. That's for a different kind of website. But I did get an order today that I didn't expect to be here so soon. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in this. I'm not going to try it on, but everything else I'm going to try on. But I just wanted to disclaimer, like, this was not one order from one particular place. This has been spread out over the course of many months. I just haven't gotten around to showing you guys the stuff till now. So stuff that came in today was a smaller order, mostly because I needed new sports bras. So I got this one here. This is an extra large, and it does fit well. The band is a little loose. It's a tiny bit loose on the bottom, but I know when I dry it and everything that it will tighten up, and especially when I'm working out, it gives me a little bit of room to move. So I got this one, which is like this cool, like pastel, very Lisa Frank cheetah print. And then I also got, these are all extra larges, by the way. This one, which is like this periwinkle and gray and blue camouflage. And these are all pretty high support. Those ones I got individually. And then the next ones came as a 3-pack. So we have another kind of pastel tie-dye one, except this one is just like tie-dye watercolor. There's no animal print. I got a white one. And I got this white leopard print, which I think is my favorite. So there's this one. So those are all the sports bras I got. Then I got some oversized t-shirts because we are going on a little trip. Not for a little while, but I just wanted like comfy clothes to have on the trip because I always pack like really fashionable, stylish, cute outfits and I never end up having anywhere to wear them to. So I got this big t-shirt. This one, I think I got this in a large. I sized down just because I had a feeling the oversize, even like if I got my regular size, would be so big that I wouldn't wear it. This is a large and it's obviously meant to be oversized, big and boxy, but it has a shark on the front. And then on the back, it just says respect the locals, because we are going to be like at the beach and stuff. So I thought that was a fun little oversized shirt. This next one, I did not realize was so big, and I'm going to modify so that it fits me a little bit better because it is just super big on me. It's like down to my knees and the sleeves are down to my elbows, which is a little bit bigger than I want my oversized tees. But I thought it was so funny, so I got it. It says, Houston, I have so many problems, and it's got a raccoon floating through space. I just thought it was cute, but like, as you can see, it's quite large for myself. So I'm gonna mess with it and tailor it a little bit. And the other shirt I got, now this one's a crop top, and this is not oversized at all. This is an extra large. Again, super stretchy and comfy. Just like a normal crop. But it says, born to read, forced to work. And then it says pages over paychecks. I tried this on earlier today and it fits me exactly the way I like my crop tops to fit. So yeah, I just thought it was cute with the little illustration. Then I got a couple other crops. This is a 3XL. So just when you're ordering stuff, always look at the measurements, because I don't normally wear a 3XL, but the measurement said that, and I tried it on and it fits. And to me, this sizing, like, I would not look at this and say 3X. So, but it's just this cute black and white, sorry, it's kind of making the camera do weird stuff, black and white tee that's cropped, and it's just a ribbed material, but the sides are sewn up like ruched, which I really like. I have a lot of shirts in this video that you'll see have that ruching on the side. I think it's very flattering for my body type and how I like to wear my shirts. And I got another one like that as well. It is this like little blue bonnet sort of thing, but it has like this faux, well, I mean, it's a real halter in the way that it ties, but it's not, you know, just a halter top. It's like a t-shirt. Same kind of thing with like the little fake cami underneath it and the little bow. And it is, let me see, what size is it? There's not a tag that I can, oh, there it is. It's on the side. This one's a 2XL. And the last thing I got was this skirt because it is super cute. I got a lot of skirts and dresses. Just a comfy elastic waistband, but the side has a little slit. It's just like a little sheath skirt, but this one, it has ties, so you can pull and make the slit higher or lower. It kind of moves this ruching up and down. And it has this really pretty green and white flower pattern. So I have been seeing people wearing these skirts a lot and really liked them. So I thought I would give it a go, and I'll probably wear it with the little black shirt. But yeah, so that's it for the stuff that I'm not trying on. Now let's talk about the stuff that I am trying on. So the first couple things I got are from Old Navy, and they are from their linen collection for the summer. They have this every year. I got just the plain black linen shorts because they're very light and very comfy, and to be quite honest, I'm over wearing jean shorts all the time. And then I got these wide leg, oh no, these are the straight leg pants they have. They are actually like blue or like a little bit gray and white. I have them folded over because they are a little big. I got a size up when I should have just got my normal size. And then I got the Old Navy athletic shorts. These ones have a little zipper pocket. I get these shorts every year. They're the ones with like built-in underwear. They're super comfy. I love them for the gym and just like wearing out and doing things. So I got these guys, super cute, super comfy. I also got this little white skirt. This one I got on Amazon, so it doesn't fit me as well as some of the other stuff I got, because I did get a large, but it does have pockets in the side and has little shorts, but I'm using this for a Halloween costume, so I'm not too worried about the fit. Then I also got these really cute satin skirts from Old Navy. These are also in a size large. I adore this skirt. It is so smooth. It's so cute and flattering. Like, it's the perfect length on me. And it's stretchy in the back, so it has some room that if I am bloated, like, I can eat in this skirt. I can wear it to, like, an event and have room to move and wiggle and whatever. But I got it in that neon kind of coral color, and then I got it in this green as well, and I'm obsessed with the green. We're going to Salem this year, so I want to wear these skirts with like my spooky Halloween t-shirts for like sightseeing, walking around, dinners, whatever. Just, I'm gonna have all the witchy vibe going on. I also got these athletic shorts from Old Navy. They are their extra high rise, and I really love these. I love everything high rise, especially at the gym. So I tried these shorts out, and they're super comfy. They don't have underwear built into them, I don't think. Maybe they do. I don't remember, but they're great. This skirt, also Old Navy. they have this whole like tennis pickleball sort of theme going on right now. So I got this skirt. Again, it has the pocket in the side. It just has this cute little piping, and I ended up getting the green dress from this collection as well. It looks exactly like the skirt. It has the piping and everything on it. But I'm obsessed with their athletic dresses and skirts, obviously, because here's another one. This one is the flouncy one. It's a little bit more girly. It's a little bit shorter, and it has 2 layers of ruffle. But I love these skirts for going and doing things over the summer because I had a little bit of a health scare last year and had to have a biopsy taken from my thigh. They thought it may have been melanoma, but it was actually just from chafing. I had a keratin deposit there that built up, so that was removed and all is well. So I'm big on the shorts under skirts now. This skirt is definitely a thicker, more wool blend skirt, but it's just this cute little black and white checker pattern. I've worn this on TikTok if you guys want to see how I styled it. And then this outfit, you guys will not believe, is actually from Walmart. I was shocked. I'm going to move you guys up here so you can see the whole vibe. But it's this cute little 2-piece. The 2 pieces did come together. But it's a little wrap skirt, and it's a full wrap skirt. Like, you have to actually like weave this little ribbon through and get it to make the closure and everything. But I thought it was really adorable. I think this is an extra large because it's from their junior section, but they had 3 or 4 different pieces or different patterns. But the top actually fit me really well with the built-in bra and everything in it. So I thought it was super cute. Don't know what I'm going to wear it for, but I really liked it. So I'm going to wear it. Next one is this cute little halter top. I did think that this was all actually layered fabric with the little rips, but it's actually just printed on. But that's fine. It's still super cute, very witchy, very just like summertime comfy. Again, in Amazon find. I'm finding more clothes on there that I like. This sweater is, I don't remember where I got this from, but it's definitely for a Halloween costume. I'm doing like a Trixie Tang look with the white skirt, and this was the closest sweater I could find with it. It's a lot stretchier than I thought it would be, but it's kind of cut off at the bottom, so I may make some adjustments, but this was just a couple bucks, and you know, it's real easy. Next, we have my new favorite gym shirt. It is this crop top I found online with this werewolf bite, or this like werewolf teeth kind of looking thing. It's actually like an active athletic material, and it just fits me really well, and I love it. Like, it's super comfy for the gym. Then I raided the Old Navy active section and got a bunch of these crop tops with the ruche siding. I really like the way the ruche siding looks on me. I think it's very flattering. And this fabric is somewhat compression-y, but also cotton. I think, honestly, it's probably supposed to be like a Skims dupe. But I got 4 of these. I got the sage green, the army green, the kind of dark slatey blue, and then just plain black as well. I have been wearing these shirts all over. Another thing from the little pickleball collection that they claim is an active shirt, for me, could never be an active shirt, but it is just this little active wear. They call it like a performance crop because it's active wear material. But with this deep V, there is nothing active happening for me in this shirt. This is going to be like a going out shirt, a normal t-shirt for me. But I really do like it. And then I got these moisture wicking like gym tops that have the little ribbing on the side. Again, I think these are supposed to be kind of like a Gymshark type shirt. I got it in that sagey green again, and then in black as well. The camera really likes to shift colors when I show a light color to a dark color, so sorry if it's doing a little weird thing. And then 2 more shirts from Old Navy. I got this button-up boyfriend shirt that I really like the pattern of, just this really pretty teal stripe. And then I got one of their cropped ribbed knit tank tops in the stripe. It kind of looks like Mr. Smee. Honestly, that's what I thought of when I saw it. But I like wearing these 2 together because I like mixing up the patterns. Like, they're still stripes. The colors are similar, but they go different directions. It's just kind of a fun little play with the pattern sort of thing. I'm working on it. I'm trying to learn how to style my clothes. And then I got another one of these rib knit
crops that my coworkers were like, you have to get because it's just so weird, and I love weird shirts. And it just says enjoy life, good times always, with sardines on them. Love it. And I got this little crop tank top as well, Old Navy, and it's just this really pretty blue. I'm really liking this kind of dark tealy blue color. Then I got this super cute bodysuit. Again, don't remember where it's from. This was so much stuff over the course of so many months. I could not keep it all straight, but this is a bodysuit with little cherries on it. It's very girly, very different for me. I'm not really like the coquette aesthetic, but this is a very high cut for me. So I definitely have to wear like a high-waisted shorts on it if you guys find it and want it. Like, it's very high-waisted or high cut, so just so you know. And then I got this bodysuit as well. This is an off-the-shoulder kind of little cutout one. I thought it was lined. It's actually not. So those little cutouts are actually going to show like the minimal amount of skin. But if you're somebody who is self-conscious about that, you may want to do like a little bralette underneath so it's not showing just your regular bra, or, you know, a little tank top.
That's everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this try-on haul. I probably won't have another one for a very long time because this was so much stuff. I'm pretty much set for a while and still going through my kind of clean out phase of trying stuff on and seeing what I'm wearing and what I'm just not interested in anymore. So if you guys enjoyed this, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.